What if you could secure your home effortlessly without complicated installations or subscription fees? With the AOSU Solar Security Cameras, you have an innovative solution right at your fingertips. Let's take a closer look at this fantastic product and see how it can bring peace of mind to your home security needs. Installation made easy, a breeze from the start. Imagine setting up your entire security system in just 2 minutes. That's the reality with the AOSU Solar Security Cameras. The 2-minute DIY setup isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's genuinely simple. With an all-in-one design, anyone can install these cameras without needing technical expertise. 4 holes, a few screws, and you're done. No more waiting for technicians or dealing with complicated wiring. This hassle-free process is a breath of fresh air, especially for those who aren't particularly handy but still want robust security. Cost-effective security. Say goodbye to subscription fees. One of the most appealing aspects of the AOSU cameras is the absence of monthly subscription fees. You get full access to all features without recurring costs. The included home base with 32 GB of local storage allows for free playbacks and encrypted video recordings for up to 120 days. This cost-effective security is a major win for budget-conscious homeowners. While an optional cloud service is available for those needing extra backup, the free local storage is more than sufficient for most users. Reliable connectivity, staying connected when it matters most, stable signal up to the mark, is crucial for any security system. The AOSU cameras support dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, ensuring reliable connectivity and a stable signal for real-time monitoring. Lag and delays are a thing of the past. The extended coverage also means that larger properties or homes far from the router can maintain a solid connection, ensuring no blind spots. Advanced features for comprehensive monitoring, seeing the bigger picture. The camera-to-camera tracking is a standout feature, allowing multiple AOSU cameras to work together seamlessly. You can track events across cameras synchronously, providing a complete picture of what's happening. All-at-once monitoring lets you keep an eye on various areas simultaneously, simplifying the process of checking for intruders or unusual activity. Sustainable power solution. Eco-friendly and convenient. Solar-powered convenience eliminates the worry of battery life. The built-in solar panel converts 95% of sunlight into energy, requiring only 2 hours of sunlight daily to keep the camera charged. This eco-friendly aspect not only saves you from frequent replacements, but also contributes positively to the environment. Stunning video quality. Clarity you can rely on. 2K FHD video ensures you won't miss critical details. With 50% sharper resolution than 1080p, the footage is crystal clear. Color night vision captures essential details even in complete darkness, providing clear and actionable footage at all times. Stay informed with smart alerts. Immediate and customizable. Instant notifications alert you to any potential threats or visitors in real time. Multiple alarm types, including a loud siren, spotlight activation, and app notifications, allow you to customize your response to detections. From the simple installation to the solar-powered convenience and high-resolution video quality, this system stands out in the home security market. By choosing these cameras, you're not just protecting your property, you're making a long-term investment in peace of mind.